In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a VSL landing page on Clickfunnels. First, go ahead and log into your Clickfunnels account and head over to your main workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation menu. From there, click on Funnels. This is where all of your funnels live and where you'll be building your new video sales letter funnel. Once you're on the Funnels page, look for the button that says Create Funnel and click it. This tells Clickfunnels you're starting something new and opens up the options for different funnel types you can build. Next, you'll see a variety of funnel categories. You want to look specifically for the Presentation Funnels category, and under that, find the option called Video Sales Letter Funnel. This type is built specifically for selling through video, so it's already structured to support a strong VSL with a main video section and clear calls to action. Before you rush into editing, take a moment to review the training materials that come with these VSL templates. Each one typically includes an overview section, which explains how VSL funnels work in general, a strategy section, where you'll learn how to structure your video and your offer for maximum impact, and an implementation section that walks you through how to customize the pages. These trainings are worth watching, especially if this is your first VSL, because they give you context on why the funnel is set up the way it is. Once you feel comfortable, browse through the available VSL templates. Look for one that matches your brand style and the kind of product or service you're offering. When you find one that fits, click Select Funnel. ClickFunnels will now install that funnel into your account. After the installation finishes, you'll see an option to customize now. Click that to open the Funnel Workflow Editor. Inside the editor, find your main sales page and click Edit to start customizing. Begin with the video element. Upload or embed your sales video and make sure it stays tightly focused on your offer. Throughout the video, include clear calls to action, telling viewers exactly what to do next. Then customize your headlines and sales copy. Write a strong headline that grabs attention, use subheadlines to build curiosity, and keep your messaging clear and persuasive from top to bottom. Next, update your call to action button. Make it visually stand out. Use action-oriented text like Buy Now or Get Access, and confirm that it links directly to your next step, usually the order form. Finally, add social proof and supporting elements. Include testimonials, success stories, and any relevant credentials. Complement your message with images, trust badges, guarantees, and if it fits your offer, a countdown timer to add urgency. When you're done, save your changes, and your VSL landing page on Clickfunnels is ready to go live.